Hey y'all, so I've got 2 cups of these mashed potato flakes and a cup and 3/4 of white plain sugar. So that's 1 cup of sugar and then another 3/4 as well. To that, we're adding 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, just like that. 2.5 teaspoons of baking soda. So there's 1, 2, and 1/2. A splash of vanilla. And 8 ounces of Coca-Cola, which is 1 cup. What's your favorite cola? Let me know in the comments. So I'm going to be doing an entire cup of this. Just like that. 2 eggs. 1/2 cup of sour cream, so that's 1/2 of this 8-ounce tub. That just goes right in there like that. Maybe just a little bit more. We're also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of this espresso powder. It's going to make that chocolate even chocolatier, if that is a word. And to that we're adding, this is 10 tablespoons of melted butter, so it's a little bit more than 1/2 a cup. Whole thing in there, and just give everything a good mix. Make sure that those potato flakes get mixed up with all that chocolatey goodness. Ooh, look at those flakes coming up. Once this has come together, look at how delicious that looks. That looks amazing. Everything has gotten so well combined. All we have to do now, this is a 13 by 9. Just gonna go ahead and put this into that casserole dish. Make sure you get every bit of that chocolatey mashed potato goodness. You don't wanna miss any of this. And just spread this around. Once this is in one even layer, I'm gonna put this in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. I've got a tub of whipped topping here. This is 8 ounces of whipped topping. To that, we're gonna be adding 1 cup of chocolate milk right into our Cool Whip, just like that. And 1 box of chocolate Jell-O pudding mix. The whole thing in there as well. Give everything a good stir. You want to get those chocolatey flavors in with that whipped cream. It's going to make this luscious, light topping. Go ahead and just keep mixing this until it's all combined. And then you want to put this in the fridge until that cake is ready. Take a look at this chocolate cake. It looks so good and the kitchen smells amazing. I've got this chocolate Cool Whip pudding frosting that I'm going to just put right on top of this cake. Spread that around. It's like the perfect cake for Valentine's Day, especially if your sweetie is gluten sensitive or is a celiac or just wants to stay away from flour, because this cake has absolutely no flour in it at all. Coming in with these Cupid's Blend, pink and white and red M&Ms. Don't those look pretty? Just go ahead and sprinkle that all over the top, just like that. And then I've got these lava cake heart-shaped chocolates. just like so. You just go ahead and decorate that right on top. Kind of push it right into that Cool Whip frosting. It's gonna be so good and such a hit at your next Valentine's Day bake sale or just a big dessert for you and your sweetie. I'm gonna put these two in the middle like so. And we're just gonna finish everything off with some chocolate sprinkles. Just like that. We're gonna go ahead and dig right into the middle and get a slice for ourselves. Just like that. And take a look at this mashed potato chocolate cake. Look at how amazing that looks. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite. You can smell a little bit of that coffee in there as well. Makes that chocolate even chocolatier.